Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have 5 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x equals to 609, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So in this question we use a different technique or different approach to find the value of x, and this technique or approach is known as the reverse engineering method. So we use the reverse engineering method to find the value of x in this question. So here I can explain the reverse engineering method to solve this problem in this question. So we have, first we take the base of this exponential equation equals to a. We have a equals to 5, and we take the base of this expression equals to b, and we have b equals to 2. So when we take the square on this equation both of the sides, then you get a square equals to 25, and when we take the square of this expression on both of the sides, then you get b square equals to 4. And now in the next step we add or subtract a square and b square, and you see that when we add here, or when we subtract a square minus b square, then you obtain a square minus b square equals to 25 minus 4, and you know that 25 minus 4 will becomes 21, and when we add a square and b square, then you get 25 plus 4 equals to 29, and we call this as equation number 2, this as equation number 1, and this is the equation number 3. So now we substitute the values of a and b in the given question, and we get the output of this question in this form. It is equals to a to the power of x minus b to the power of x equals to 609. And now you focus on the right hand side of this equation, and the right hand side is 609, and now we find the prime factors of 609, and you know that the prime factors of 609 will be found in this method. First we divide it by 3, and you get 3 2s are 6, 0, and 3 3s are 9, and now we divide it by 7, and you obtain 29, and now we divide it by 29, and you get 29 ones are 29. So we write 609 as 3 times of 7 times of 29, and when we multiply 3 times of 7, it will becomes 21 times of 29. So now we replace this 609 by 21 times of 29, so that this equation will be written as in this form. We have a to the power of x minus b to the power of x equals to 21 multiplied by 29. So here we use the equation number 2 and 3. So in equation number 2 we have a square minus b square equals to 21, and we have equation 3, a square plus b square equals 29. So we put the values of 21 and 29 in this equation. So here we write, using equation 2 and 3, so that we substitute the values of 21 and 29 here, and you know that 21 a square minus b square, we substitute it here, and we obtain a to the power of x minus b to the power of x equals to 21, and 21 equals to a square minus b square, and the value of 29 is a square plus b square. So here we use the nice square identity, and you know about this identity. We know that if we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and if we have a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4, it is equals to a square minus b square times of a square plus b square. So we use this. You see here we have, this is the right hand side, and we convert this right hand side into the left hand side, and it will becomes in this form: a to the power of x minus b to the power of x equals to a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. And now here you see, or you compare both of the sides, and you see that it will be equals to a to the power of x equals to a to the power of 4, and b to the power of x equals to b to the power of 4. So that here we compare both of the sides, and we get here x equals to 4. So this is the first value of the given question, and when you compare this one, then again you get the value of x equals to 4. So that this means that x equals to 4 be the solution of the given question. And now in the next step we check the solution here, and we first, in order to check this value, is the value of x satisfies the given question or not, so we write the statement of the question, which is 5 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x equals to 609. And now in the next step we put the value of x here. So we have x equals to 4, so we substitute the value of x equals to here, and you obtain 5 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 equals to 609. And now we use the calculator in order to make the find the values of 5 to the power of 4, and you know that 5 to the power of 4 equals to 625, and 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16, and this whole equals to 609, and 2 to the power of 4 equals to minus 16. And here you see that when we subtract 625 minus 16, then you easily get that 609. So it is equals to 609. So this this shows that the left hand side equals to right hand side, and we finally conclude that x equals to 4 be the only real solution of the given question. So this is the final conclusion about the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope so you enjoy this video. So that please thumbs up and like this video, and thank you so much. Bye bye.